What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Throttle play, baby. All right, y'all can see we're in front of the CB1000R Vader here, and we got a couple of packages sitting on top of the bike, guys, and y'all probably figured it out that fast. We got some tools down here, and we've got a big can that we have got to get rid of, man. Yeah, we got to get rid of this thing, but that's what's going on today. We ordered a slip-on pipe, and we're going to go and put it on the CB1000 because I'm not sure what kind of system I want to go with, and before I spend that kind of money on the bike, I want to make sure I get what I want. But I do want to take this off, and I want to put something else on there just to make it louder, and I want to hear this motor, guys. I know you guys would like to hear that too. But yeah, let's go ahead and crank up the CB and give it a sound check with the stock exhaust on it. I gotta put this thing in neutral, guys. All right. Let's take these down so they don't fall. Now she's already been warmed up, so this is not a cold start. Alright, so that's the stock exhaust, guys. It sounds alright, but it sounds like it's just vibrating a lot, and I don't like the way it sounds, to tell you the truth. It don't look too bad, but I know there's a lot more in that motor than what we're listening to. So let's go ahead and open up these packages and see what we have, guys. I'm gonna lay this down here for a minute. This is the helmet cam. I don't have my microphone hooked up to it. Guys, I ordered this off of eBay. Altogether it's about $200 for everything. Let me make sure you guys can see. Alright. Let's open the can first. That's the most important thing. Alright, guys, we got this little Austin Racing or SC Project style can, carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can see the carbon look to it. It's a pretty good looking can. Let's get a good look at the inside. We're going to take out this connector piece. We don't need that. We're going to take this out. We don't need that. Let y'all get a good look at this. But yeah, it's not that big. You can see my hand fits around it. But guys, this is going to make a big difference. It's going to look a lot better too. Alright, let me show you guys what we have here. And this is the connector pipe, the mid-link or connector pipe or whatever they call it. And it came with these springs. Y'all look at the welds on it. It's alright. It's not too bad. Looks like it's laser welded or something, but yeah, guys, that's it right there. It's probably stainless steel. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this can right here off, guys, and we're gonna put this on and see what's up. See what kind of difference it makes. Y'all already heard the stock exhaust. Y'all already heard the stock exhaust. So let's go ahead and rip this thing off, guys, and yeah, let's do it. We're gonna get a 5. Get our 5 right here, and we're gonna start taking these bolts out. Whoa, this thing is heavy. This thing got to weigh at least 25 pounds. This thing is heavy. Real heavy. Compared to this, I mean, that feels like feathers compared to the stock one. Alright guys, we got everything wrapped up, we got the tools picked up, and we got the new pipe on the bike. Let's take a good look at it. It looks okay. I've got it up this way. I'm thinking about turning it back down this way. I just didn't like how it looked that way, but I don't know. Right now that I have to work. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and crank her up and see how she sounds. Y'all already heard this. Alright guys, y'all ready? Let's go ahead and crank this bike up. See what she sounds like. Wow, I can tell a difference already, man, without even touching the throttle. She's gonna be loud, baby. Oh yeah. Let it warm up for a second. Looks pretty good. I want to get rid of all this big piece of metal right here. I mean, that looks real bad. We're gonna get a full system. I just don't know what we're gonna do yet, and that's why we got this, so we can make a little bit of noise, boys. All right, let's give it a couple of revs. Oh yeah, that's a big difference, guys. And we also took off a bunch of weight too. That stock exhaust is pretty heavy, but I think it sounds good until we figure out what we're going to do with the whole exhaust system. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the new bike to the channel. And we're going to put some more mods on this bike and be doing a few things to it. So man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when we come out with more videos, you guys can be notified right away. Some good content coming on the way, guys. Hopefully some more bikes and stuff like that. So yeah man, until next time guys, ride safe. I'm out.